With the ever-rising population of the world causing a lack of the world's vital food supply, in turn affects the farming industry directly. The farming industry now has to increase its productivity to feed to the demands. To serve the mass population explosion, agriculture and farming industry has been improved with research technology at an increasing rate. The goal of advances in agricultural science was to ultimately increase yields and produce at the highest quality level. And with chemical fertilizers, this was able to become true to feed the hungry population. The companies under Granular upholds the importance of agricultural excellence in Thailand. It therefore is one of the most honest to be able to support the agricultural advances over the many years. And today, Granular Group is ready with the expertise and professionalism to announce Granular Holding Company Limited. Granular Holding Company Limited is a leader in the production of chemical fertilizer in the pellet uniform format. The production facility that creates this fertilizer is most highly advanced and based on a large scale of production capabilities in Thailand. Its total production facilities boast the highest standards and most advanced systems utilized to create an utmost standard within the Southeast Asian region. Granular Holding Company Limited is established in the province of Ban Khai Rayong on a real estate of 80 rise of land. The real estate is also part of the Rojana Industrial Estate and comes complete with the BOI overseeing and supporting the high level of standards. As for the logistics of the company, Granular Transport Limited was put into effect to handle transports of both exports and imports. As for storage facilities, it boasts a massive capacity located in a wide area spread out all over the region of Thailand to support the ever-growing business of the future. Granular Holding Company Limited has furthermore joined up with German and Chinese counterparts for cooperation and exchange of knowledge base for a truly international competitive company. From the many years of experience in the field of chemical fertilizers, Granular has built up an empire of business on a very global scale, with a firm foundation found all over the world. There was much thought and research to advance the level of expertise through constant training sessions held at the agricultural training facilities. This resulted in the quality level that we ensure from every personnel from our company. To give back to the source of our success, we also like to share our resources by the way of supporting and encouraging the ongoing research and technology of the agricultural industry. This is true for both the private and public sector of agriculture. The process and advances in agriculture fertilizer from our production lines thus provide support for a wide range of agricultural usage all over the region within Thailand. Our clients can be reassured of this strict quality level. The following is the production cycle of Granular Holdings fertilizer. It all starts from the raw material imported from all corners of the world that only passes through a high-quality check sequence. Once the raw materials are received, it is then taken in exact proportions and mixtures of the appropriate combinations of these raw materials that we will provide the quality base of our fertilizer. It passes through this phase of production through constant calculations and precise measurements of the mixtures by way of high technology and computer systems. The mixture is then conveyed onto the next step in order to be crushed and further mixed together by fine mixing using heavy machinery. The nutrients within the combined product is evenly spread throughout the mixing process and ultimately to every pellet of the fertilizer. As for pressing of each pellet of the fertilizer, Granular Holding Company Limited turns to even more of the latest high-tech machinery, actually considered the only of its kind within the Southeast Asian nation to have acquired such machinery. It involves the process of injecting the nutrients by way of nitrogen. The nitrogen used has been infused with the ingredients along with other key nutrients in the form of a liquid. The liquid is then pumped via tubes and delivers the vital nutrients that make our fertilizers state-of-the-art quality. After the pellet pressing process is finished and the result is a consistent batch of round pellets filled with nutrients, they are heat processed in order to force out any moisture that may reside in each pellet. Within the heating ducts and pipes of large size, the moisture is literally non-existent, after which the pellets are then separated according to the size to facilitate the end user's needs for various sizes of fertilizer. Then the pellets are cooled down to rid of any heat within each pellet of fertilizer. Once we have the pellets of fertilizer obtained after arrangement of sizes, the conveyor system will take the pellets to a system that coats the individual pellets. The coating is a special coating mixture that gives them that shiny coating and to actually protect it from external moistures for even the most longest of times. This is to give it that special touch for fertilizers produced by Granular Holding Company Limited before being sent off to the stage of packing. In every step of the way, the production of our fertilizer is done by computers and complicated systems that emphasizes consistent quality control for every step of the way. As for the quality control for the product, there is a constant random check of the products to gather samples every hour during the production process, aiming to gather consistent nutritional value of the fertilizers we produce. Aside from this, our company focuses on research for newer and better products along with designing the intricate QC checking systems that must go hand in hand with our products. With this in mind, it is only natural that we have invested much time and effort and capital into the facilities made especially for laboratory testings, complete with the latest equipment of international standards. For example, the spectrophotometer is a technology that was imported from Germany and is used for the testing and gathering of information, searching for nutritional value with consistency, speed, and accuracy. With only 45 minutes of time needed to discover the nutritional value of each sample of fertilizer collected, a spectrophotometer is a must-have piece of machinery to have and to be able to compete in the international level of production and testing. With the capability to produce over 3,500 tons of fertilizer each day, or rather a staggering 1,100,000 tons per year, we were able to do so by combining technology in production and laboratory testing in our products. Granular Holding Company Limited. We strive to be the leader in the area of fertilizer production and all aspects of fertilizer products, and we go forth even more in advancements and improvements to an already high set standards achieved at our plant. We are proud to present our products to Thailand and give Thailand the highest quality of fertilizers, to be able to contribute to the growing needs in this region known as the Kitchen of Asia. We move forth and offer you rich fertilizers of high standards and stand by our products and our clients and end users with honesty on a path of success starting today and into a bright future. Granular Holding Company Limited.